Hi, it's Holly Rovinger from the Woman's Inner Circle and Edorai. My mission has always been to help women step into their best lives for health, wealth, and happiness. A lot of times they call me the happiness queen because no matter what happens, I always manage to see the silver lining. Well, I want to share a product with you today. I know many of you are at home and not able to go have your regular pedicures. And even if you are, this product is wonderful for you to have on hand always. This is our Edorai, the soft, silky, sensual foot cream. Now, when I say sensual, I'm talking about your sensuality, getting in touch with your senses. You know, your senses are what you smell, what you touch, what you hear, what you see, and what you taste. With the foot cream, you will love the feeling and you will love the aroma of it. Just a small amount is needed to put on your feet, and it will get rid of your calluses, make your feet soft, make them feel better. There is some arnica in here, so it does make your feet feel better. And I will tell you, every single time I've been to the pedicurist, he's like, I don't know what you're doing to your feet, but I have nothing to use the pumice stone on. So I've been using this for years. Give it a try. We have a wonderful, wonderful special now where we have a friend special where we're giving 20% off when you buy two, and a family special where we're giving 25% off when you get three. Now, some things are discovered when you least expect it. For example, Post-it notes were discovered this way, as were chocolate chip cookies, as was penicillin. Well, interestingly, what our customers have found when using the Edorai foot cream, it's a wonderful hand cream as well. So it just softens your hands, and especially now when we're washing them so much, it's amazing because you only need a tiny bit on your hands. So hop on over to Edorai.com, buy some. We stand behind our products 100%, and I really think you're going to love it. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you over on Edorai.